ISS work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you want to work. So you pick your own schedule. The days you pick, you have to be here at 4 o'clock, or excuse me, 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, pretty straightforward. It says here that you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. And she's asked me to dismiss both of the charges that were issued to you on February 3rd. That's your understanding? Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
No.
Up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. So $0 to $500 and 0 to 90 days. Understand that? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that added charge today? All right. February 3, 2026, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I will accept your plea to the added charge and I will dismiss the original charges. Are you working, sir? Where do you work and how long have you been there?
I work with this union out of Ann Arbor 252. I've been there for.
What do they do? What union? How long you been in the union? Okay, good. Where they got you working now? Good, good. Long term, won't it be? You're gonna be there for a while, won't you?
Back it up way good.
Okay, good, good. How many hours a week they giving you? Good. All right, what's the status of your license? Still suspended? You got it back?
She said from you guys, record that it's still suspended, but I paid my ticket in Detroit and they said all I gotta do was at that time was pay the ticket, pay a restate.
Yeah, so those are both correct. So you're still suspended until you pay your reinstatement fee, right? Yeah, yeah. So you still can't drive legally. Right, okay. All right, so you're close.
Yes.
Okay, all right. And it looks like you're currently on a payment plan with us? Is that correct? No, no, you've got a court date coming up June 2nd. You know about that? Okay, all right. So anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you on today's file? Any information you want to share?
Keep my license together, that's about it.
Okay. All right, so the standard on this file is $500 fines and costs. Can you pay that today or do you need some options? All right, you'll get those downstairs. And 4 days on the work program. ISS work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you want to work. So you pick your own schedule. The days you pick, you have to be here at 4 o'clock, or excuse me, 8 o'clock in the morning. So how soon do you think you'll have your license straight?
See what's going on? I mean, I'm not sure. I could get it as soon as possible.
Well, what I'm thinking is, right now, transportation anywhere is probably a problem, but once you get your license, then you can drive yourself around. So if you think you're going to get your reinstatement fee paid and get your license reinstated in the next couple of weeks, pick your 4 work days so they're after you get your license back. You follow me?
How long do I have to pick my 4 days?
Well, I want to pick before you leave the building. How long do you have to complete them?
Well,
I want you to walk out of here with a schedule in your hand.
how long of a day is that?
It's generally speaking, they're back by, what would you say, Jamie? 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, work program?
Yes, at the latest is between 2 and 3 scripts.
Yeah.
Do you guys don't do weekends?
I got Saturdays. I'm going to have Sundays coming up. Okay. All right. All right. Go downstairs. Front counter where you sign up for your work days and talk about your payment options. Good luck.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. You mean, what are you going to do physically? What do you be doing? It's an alternative to jail. This is a 90-day misdemeanor. So I don't want to put you in jail. So I give you the 4-day work program option. Understood? Anything else?
No, I was just wondering.
I don't want you confused when you leave. All right. Are you moving forward today without court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand your rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of no valid operator's license on person? And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, you understand that if I accept your plea to the no valid license on person, the Secretary of State could resuspend you. And you're still willing to do that plea and move forward? All right. Did you in fact operate a vehicle on, what is it? September 19, 2024 in Romulus? At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. Are you working? What do you do? Okay. What's the status of your license?
I'm in the midst of planning my first up, trying to get it out.
All right. Other than us, who are you dealing with?
I already took care of Western.
Good. Good. Where else you got to go?
Detroit.
Okay. All right. So you're getting there. Any idea when you're going to get your license back?
Got to complete, finish the work program with everyone, and I actually start the work program with Wayne on the 28th.
Okay. Do you have a court date set up with Detroit, or you just got to go down there and? Okay. It's just a money thing with them? You're not sure? Okay. All right. So you at this point, you can't say, well, I think I'll have it by such and such a date. You're not that close yet? Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Okay. So normally on this file, I'd give you $600 fines and costs plus 4 days on our work program. I know you're up against it. So if you can find more time than money, I'll do just straight days with you. Eight days on the work program and you save your money for the other courts. You want to do the days?
I know the work program for Dearborn, I do on Mondays.
Okay.
So Monday I can do, and then the work program.
Stop you. Let me stop you. When are you going to be done with those other work programs?
7 Mondays left for Dearborn, and then I actually start my work program with Wayne on the 28th.
Okay. Okay. All right. So what I'll do is when you go down to schedule, I'll make a note in the file that you don't have to start your days with us until July. That help? All right. So 8 days start after July 1. Any questions? Good luck with those other courts. You're welcome. Oh, I thought that was going over. Is it Shazier? How do you say it? Shazer? Good morning, sir. Are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And looks like you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. Is that the deal? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? Up to $500 fine plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. You understand that? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied on February 18 this year? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, sir. Are you working?
No, sir, I can't. Just.
Because of whatever got you limping on that cane? You off on medical?
Yes.
All right. Where were you working last time you worked?
I can't look, I get in, access.
Okay. So it's been a long time. Okay. All right. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence? All right, Mr. Shazer, on your file, fines that cost $550, and I'm going to give you 30 hours community service instead of work program. So community service means charity work. Hook up with a church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, any organization that's registered as a nonprofit with the IRS, volunteer with them for 30 hours, get documentation on their letterhead, bring that to us, and we'll give you credit for that. Understood? All right. As far as the $550, you can talk about payment options downstairs if you cannot pay it today. We can also give you a list of organizations in our area that are pre-approved for your community service. You can find something on your own if you want to, but we've got a list to save you some time. Any questions?
Fine. I have the money, I don't have to do a service.
Two different things. It's $550 fines and cost and 30 hours community service. It's not an either or.
Oh.
Understood?
Yeah.
Questions? Okay, go downstairs, set up some kind of payment plan if you need to. And if you want that list of organizations that are pre-approved, ask for it downstairs.
Pay and still do service.
It's pay and, yeah, it's money and time. So it's community service. Usually I would do work program as an alternative to jail because of your limitations with your leg. I don't want to do work program, so I'm giving you the community service option. Understood? Okay, you're all set.
Good news with the blower box downstairs in the lobby with judges. You got in there and lots of debris got caught in there. Fell from the
Huh,
top of it. So I'm
Interesting.
praying that once they clean that out, that is not a problem. So
Yeah.
you don't have to get deeper into it.
interesting.
No, all that shale, somebody stuff gets caught in there. Oh, I'm sorry.
I asked him why, he said, oh, the commission says he needed to be on Zoom, I said, no, I'm in commission, said in person. You want to reschedule, I said, no, just come to the court, come waiting.
So he's a local guy. Just give me a.
Yes, it's, yeah.
I got. You dismissed if you want me to just put them out.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then, and the German, and then, so this one is, is there a Watson here? Oh, Walton. Walton, I'm sorry.
Thank you, please.
Yep.
Okay, and that's all civil infractions.
Oh, okay. No, one says an arraignment pretrial, and at least here it says.
Oh, there is one.
It wasn't expired.
There's a blue file in there. Yeah. All right, come on up on Walton.
Good morning, Your Honor. Keep it 64917 here today on behalf of Ms. Walton, Mr. President. Ms. Walton, he's over there.
Good morning.
Dr. Cotton for in pre-trial relation to expired license. Yeah, I had a city attorney to legal deceased that expired license as well as a style, which I think you understand you have to be responsible to the city practice related to plea. She's going to advise the rights, which is you.
All righty. Ms. Walton, that true? Is that a yes? All right, I will accept your plea of responsible on the registration plate civil infraction, dismiss the other charges, and assess fines and costs of $150. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs and see our cashier. She'll probably smile when she takes your money and get you out the door. Have a good day.
Yeah, what's your plea number, please?
64917.
What'd you do?
I woke up funny. I've got a bad back.
Isn't that crazy?
If I do something, I will kind of still.
Yeah. I told somebody the other day, you know you're old when you wake up and you heard something while you slept.
Doing lots of stuff last night. I felt pretty. Yeah.
All right, so I think everything else is a dismissal or adjournment.
He's got, something on the top that.
Oh, there's a open intox there, Judge, on Lorenzo Young.
Okay, I'm not sure what you're saying. Move to dismiss.
No, I'm
Oh,
talking about
this you're talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Heather yells at.
Pattison.
Right, Your Honor.
All right, this is a dismissal.
Absolutely.
You're okay with a dismissal? Yes, yes? Let's talk about the money you owe on something else. Some kind of traffic device ticket, maybe?
Chairman.
294. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan on that?
I should be able to figure out tomorrow.
You'll just pay it in full? You sure? Okay. I'll just make a note. You're gonna have that paid tomorrow. Great, thank you. Case is dismissed.
Mr. Units, a flat out dismissal. I don't see anything with it.
Lorenzo Young. Okay with the dismissal?
So that's a little bit, Judge, it might be written improperly. It's actually an open intox ticket.
Yep.
It looks like there was a impaired maybe written on the police sheet that I got.
No.
CD pleading straight up, open intox. What we'd be asking for is a Cobb's evaluation prior to tendering the plea.
That's fine.
That typically.
Yeah.
He's 61 years
Yeah.
old, on social security disability, Your Honor. He was the passenger in his vehicle that was pulled over for. He did not purchase that alcohol. If he knew that he was there, you'd be asking for fines and costs.
Yeah. Absolutely, absolutely. So you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Were you a passenger in a car? Did you have possession or control of some open intox?
In a little bit on the streets, yes.
You satisfied, counsel? So am I. Anything else I should know?
Great grandfather, 61 years old, great. He's been having some medical issues now and social security disability. I'd ask that you take it out, no prior record to speak of.
All right. Good luck with your health. Anything else you want to tell me?
I've been seeing you since the 90s.
Well, I don't know if that's good or bad. Did we see each other in this setting?
It's actually good because
Okay,
sure about a lot of things.
good. I try. Yeah. Anything else?
That'll be it.
Okay. All right. $250. Can you pay it today or you need time?
Anytime.
Go downstairs and get your options.
Thank you.
Good luck with your legs.
Yeah, just this one will probably need to be addressed too. He's got issues.
Gabbard?
Morning, Your Honor, Tim Hewin, 619 Southern Period, on behalf of Mr. Gabbard, standing to my left, please. There, Gabbard, thank you. Your Honor, this time they scheduled both Joe called Raymond and we called the Judge Raymond, we waived. Plead not guilty. Judge, we're asking for an additional pretrial. I believe these attorneys going to subpoena or notice the alleged victims in the matter for final, beginning with evidence and discovery.
Would you say August 8th? Adjournment.
Yes.
Final pretrial. Ramos. Ramos.
I'm out of town that week of the 6th. I have any other dates.
Do July 16th, just add it, July 16th, by Zoom with Joe Markley.
What time?
10:10.
All right, so I'll continue bond. Mr. Gabbard will give you a notice on that court date. And then it looks like you owe us money on some other stuff. Are you on any kind of payment plan with us?
Yes.
When's the last time you made a payment?
One, last month.
All right. What? Oh, to cancel. I couldn't read that word. Okay. All right, we'll get you, just have a seat. We'll get you notice.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
He said he called in person on the phone for him. He could have advised him and gave him the Zoom ID.
No, that person's wrong.
Exactly. I told him he needs to contact a supervisor.
Did I go into Zoom? I saw that there was somebody.
No, he's not. We're not doing Zoom, but thank you.
Counsel, your appearance is at Mocan? Is that how you say it? Go ahead.
$3 mouse. Yes. It was 577. Yeah, this is Raymond Lee.
All right, we got a 9/1 date or somebody that came in with.
Yes, Ramos, Angela gave that.
All right, who's that with? Us?
That's also Judge Mark.
All right, so let's just adjourn the arraignment pretrial. What time are we gonna do 9/1? 9 a.m. counsel? And that's Judge Martin, you said?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Mokan, we'll get you a notice on that one. Looks like you owe us money on some other stuff. Looks like a speeding ticket from, I don't know when that's from, Sumter Township maybe? And then looks like we got a fail to display a valid license. So we got $471 due. You know about those? Okay. Is that part of this one? All right, so that's only, the old speeding ticket's $216 then. Are you in a position to get that paid off or get a payment plan set up? Today? Okay, just have a seat. We'll get you a notice. Counsel, if you want one, stick around. We'll get you a paper notice too. Smith. Thank you.
State concept for remedy this time, for reading Spanish. Also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. You have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Smith would be clear No operator's license on person with the understanding, two additional charges would be dismissed.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on August 13, 2020? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? Mr. Bowditch, you satisfied? So am I. I'll dismiss both the original charges. Tell me something about your client.
Well, Your Honor, he did have a series of some tickets. He's in the process of paying them all. He has court dates all set up to satisfy.
Good.
These things.
Good. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? I was gonna ask you where that. How long you been there?
You're not.
Good. Full time? Good. Anything else you want me to know? Okay. All right. Fines and costs, $550 and 4 days on the court work program. I schedule work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you work. Can you pay the $550 today, or do you need to talk about options? You can do that downstairs. Any questions about how the work program works?
Yes, I'm not aware of
The
it.
work program is an alternative to jail. You pick the schedule, the days you pick, you have to show up here at the court before 8 o'clock in the morning. You go out with our crew. You're usually back done at, by 2, sometime between 2 or 3. You're done for the day. Understood? Any questions? Go downstairs and get your options for payment and set up your work schedules. Have a good day. Jail abates